Yo, man, I know it's been a minute, man. We back in there, man. So, I'm just gonna start the video, man. I'm gonna say this. This is like a good thing for you guys, but this is like a horrible thing for me. This is like bad business, you know? So it's like, hold on, man. This motherfucker been pushing my line back. Hold on, man. Let me zoom. Hold on, man. Let me zoom in. Yeah, man. I don't got time for no corrections, man, but this is like a bad thing for me, man, but it's a good thing for you. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick, man. Hold on, real quick. Hold on. Let me show you. Hold on, I'm gonna show you this real quick. Cause everybody gonna go through this, you know? Hold on, let me turn the lights off real quick. Turn the lights off real quick. I ain't trying to show nothing in the garage, shit all junky like always, man. But hold on, let me show you something real quick. Cause I like my people to be aware, man. You rock with me, you know, so I'm gonna try to be as honest as possible. You know? Yeah. But with the door lights, look. Hold on, let me zoom in real quick. Focus up. Look, so you can see it, right? These motherfuckers been in for a year. A year! Bro, that's just bad business, man. Like, the way they supposed to work, man. The way they supposed to be designed, man. I asked the dude, I told him, man. These motherfuckers supposed to last 91 days. 91 days. They've been on for a year. And they still kicking bright. Like, I had to figure out a way to like counteract that, you know? And the only thing I can do is come out with like a new design, you know? And my plan was like originally like to always come out with constant designs, but honestly, man, this was like my favorite one. So I was like, once I got it, I was like, I'm straight with that. But it's like, it almost became like a mod that you can like, I don't know, whatever you want. I don't know if you guys want to consider it a mod because it ain't doing nothing under the hood. I had to change my thermostat on my other one, and I can see how you can get into like, you know, getting that little satisfaction, that dopamine of like doing mods and having your car change or whatever. Because I just replaced some shit that was stock, and I felt like cool after. I was like, this motherfucker driving faster and shit. Like, what's my tripping? You know, but anyway, like the door lights became like a piece of like an accessory of the car that I felt like, damn, I want to change all the time, you know? And honestly, man, I got a whole bunch of different designs. All the ones that I've used in the past, I still keep those, like sets of them. I just don't, you know, offer them and put them on my side or whatever. It's just for multiple reasons, you know, but I always wanted to like just constantly come out with like a new design. But once I found this design that I really rock with, it was hard for me to like create a new one, you know? But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got now. Hold on, I don't know, should I show you guys me putting it in, or would it be more dramatic if I just like popped on the scene, on the screen with it, you know? I don't know. I don't even know if you guys would really be able to see much anyway, so I'll just show you guys real quick, hold up. All right, hold on, let me cover it up, man. I know you guys want to see them. I know you want to. Go ahead and like the video real quick, man. Like the video. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to like it. You know, we still here, it's just, I got my hand covering up to, you know, the camera, but I just want to give you time to like it. Cause you know, people say it at the end of the video, but then it's like, sometimes I'll be trying to like a video, but that motherfucker like be going off so fast and like scroll, I'm hitting the ads or I'm hitting the next video. Like you gotta press up at the beginning or at the end, but then you gotta switch it at the, I don't know, bro. I'm just trying to be like the video. There's never enough time to do it, you know, at the end. So I'm trying to give you guys a little extra time to do it now, man. Go ahead and subscribe too. I know you got a Chrysler 300, man. I got hundreds of videos, man. Like, you're going to find one that you like. You know, one of those, like, the more you watch me, the more videos that I didn't, you know, release going to pop up. And one of them motherfuckers is going to apply to you. So you might as well just go ahead and subscribe, man. Let me see it. You know, I'm going to wait. Even though I can't see it, I'm going to wait. And give you guys some time, you know. What you guys been up to, though, man? Comment down below, man. What's new? Maybe I'll break down what I've been going through, like the last like 2-3 years, man. Shit been crazy. I ain't gonna lie, life crazy, you know. But you know, we try to keep it all positive on the video or whatever, man. But we all regular people, you know. Everybody go through shit. I know this is an escape for some people. You know, you just get on and be like, damn, man, I hope I can find a video that can not make me think about this shit or whatever, you know, try to get a little escape in, man. But anyway, man, here go the lights. Hold on, man. You think that's it? Hold up. Hold on, man. I feel like some people just need to talk, man. I could just show it real quick, but hold on, man. Let me, you know, we got to talk it through, man. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, man. I was gonna hit you with the iPhone S. You know, I was just gonna give you guys like one little color and like let those sell out real quick. You know, be like, all right, yeah, I only got white. But then I was like, man, I'm just, you know, that I ain't gonna, you know, I ain't no finesser. You know, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, man. There's everything. Instead of like holding back, you know, I'll be excited for you guys to see it, man. Honestly, when I get the messages, the DMs, the emails, the text messages, all that shit or whatever, man, when people like tell me about the lights and they like them, you know, that really like touch me, man. Like I ain't gonna, you know, it really like, you know, it's like, damn, bro, you created something, somebody got it on their whip every day and they like it, you know, and they pay for it, you know, like they liked it enough to pay for it. And then they thank you, you know, it's like, damn, bro, it's like a guy, it feels like real good. I ain't gonna lie, man. But anyway, the red, you know, we have the red. Like I could tell by the camera, like just looking from the little lens finder that you're not getting the full like understanding about it, man. It's like, it's bigger, it's clear, it's super clear. And then it's like large, it's like larger. I don't know, I can't compare it like to the other one, because the other one I know it only took up a little bit, like the depth of it, the length and the width was like, it was different because it was a design, and like I couldn't make it too large because it would distort the, you know, the scale of the car because it was like a real design. But with this one, since it's more, hold on, let me turn my car back on a little, like what but since this one was like a lot going on, I could like stretch it out to make it like larger. So it's like, you would think like this is 300, whatever, be hard to read, but it's like, I'm looking at it now, like just on the ground, it's like super clear. I know this one's gonna go crazy. All right, I haven't showed any, like you guys, the first people that I've shown, I showed like, you know, people like, you know, in real life or whatever, but online I only showed one person. And they were like, damn, bro, these, you know, they said they liked them. So I think like in person, they look even better. You know, I'm looking at the pictures and it's like, I don't know, it's hard for me to like, I don't know if my camera cheap. It ain't cheap. Motherfucker was $700, but you know what I'm saying? It wasn't like it's not the most, it's not displaying the screen, the value of, hold on, let me get the other color, hold on. Yeah, man, shout out to the other colors, the white and the red, but the blue always go, the green go hard too, but the blues always go the hardest. Like the blues are always the hardest, man. Like it's not even the same. It's not even the same like color. Like I'm looking at it from the screen, it almost looked like white, but in real life it looked bright blue. In the blue, I like this one even more because it's like radiating. It's like, I don't know, man. The blues always go hardest. I don't know why, but yeah, man. Anyway, we got these on the site right now. As soon as I release this video, they're gonna be on the site. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't go crazy with the man, I'm looking at them. It's like, I'm trying to figure out why it doesn't look the same color. I guess it's just the camera, the brightness. Like it's super bright. So the screen, like what you guys are seeing is not like the blueness. You guys not getting like a lot of the blueness, you know, the blue. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. It's more blue in real life. Like without, you know, looking through the actual screen. It's like, when I'm looking at it, it's like real blue. You guys, I can see it, it's like kind of like, it's blue, but it's like more, it's white too, unless my eyes just tripping, I don't know. But yeah, man, I gotta just switch them up, man. Like I like the other ones, man, and I appreciate you guys, man. Like I know people was rocking with those, and I'm still gonna rock with them too. Like I said, I switch them up all the time, but I just like, hold on, let's go to the white. I'm gonna go to the white real quick, hold on. Man, the white ones go kind of hard too, though. Yeah, I think, man. I'm trying to figure out which color I like the most. If you guys need green, we got those too. Those just aren't as popular, man, so I didn't like prioritize those. And the yellows or whatever, red, white, and blue, man, those are the most popular ones. And the blue are like way more popular than all the other ones, but I think on this one, the white go hard too. The white, yeah, I don't know. The white is more. The white can go with any color car, you know, because it's like you reading it. It just make me smile, man. Like I've been rocking with it for a little bit so far, you know, and it's like every time I get in the car, it's like it just make me smile a little bit, you know. Like you guys know the scene or whatever from 300 or whatever, you know. That's the, you know, I don't know. I guess I didn't break down the story or whatever, but you know the scene from the movie when it was like the guy King Leonidas, he was kicking the guy or whatever, and he kicked him into that little pit. That's the whole, you know, I'm sure most of you guys got it or whatever. And the 300 is from the movie, you know, the design, blah, blah, blah. You know, so I put it together, man, to try to tell like a little story, you know. That I ain't gonna lie, man, that's gonna be like my new thing. Like it's gonna be more of a, you know, like a page. I'm gonna try to like condense like a moment in history, you know, for each design, you know, to like gives me like inspiration or whatever, you know. And I think this was dope, you know. I'm trying, man, the white one go hard too. The white go, usually it's the blue. The blue is cool, the red is bright, so like people see that more just because it's like some red on the ground, like it's not blending in with anything, you know. The white, same thing with the white, but the red is more seen. The blue is like, just because of the inside, you know, the blue lights and all that shit or whatever, so it's popular. The white ones are popular because you can get them with any, you know, it matches any car, but man, I think the white ones go to, man, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go through it, man. I'm gonna put them all on the car and I'm gonna drive around and I'm gonna open the doors and all that and I'm gonna see which one. And but comment down below which ones you guys like the most, man. Red, white, and blue. You know, I still gotta show you guys green, still gotta show you guys the yellow joints, but you know, yeah, these are new design, man. How you guys like them, man? Comment down below. Is this a dub? You know, I always just, man, try to make things dope to make me smile and make me laugh, make me feel good, and then I try to offer it to you guys, you know. Let me know, man. Is this a dub, man, or is this an L? Is like this like too much? Like you don't want every time you open the door, like you see that. Me personally, man, like I wish it was more, man. I was trying to like fit like I can't even tell you guys next. I can't, man. I don't know. I got a whole bunch of designs thinking in my head right now, man. But is this a dub? Let me know, man. Anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Like, comment, and link in the description if you guys like these. Obviously, man, me and team.xyz. I think I like the whites, man. All right, peace out.